In this video, we will show you how to reconnect your Home Hub 4000 or GigaHub. So, your modem is disconnected. No problem, let's reconnect it together. First, with your thumb and forefinger, pinch the fiber cable by the square green connector. Now, plug it into the fiber optic port with the notch on the connector facing outwards. That's the only way it fits in. You will hear it click when properly connected. Then connect the power cable and wait for the indicators on the front to light up. This may take a few minutes. Services to individual devices may take additional time to come back as they reconnect to your home network. If you are connecting other devices with a network cable, they plug into any of the 5 LAN ports. And if you have home phone, the phone cord plugs into Tel1 here. There you go. The digital world awaits. For more support, visit bell.ca/support or connect with our community forum at bell.ca/forum.